I'm paper chasing, nigga, till my feet start to get tired. No application, just word pussy, that's how I got hired. So I'm cutting up this brick while I worry about getting fired. Backing out the 40 block, if a nigga come to me wired. Put the whip him in his mouth, now his lips looking like Jay-Z. Make a movie with his bitch, but nigga, you would never play me. At first I ain't understand, but now I know why niggas hate me. No homo, I'll take you out, so she wouldn't wanna date me. Now I roll with fresh kicks, haters know I'm starting, so I'm here to take it off. Cause before I ain't have nothing. Pillow talking this for bitches, there's a problem, this ain't something. I dump your body in the paper, so I hope you good at dumping.
I shit on niggas quick, that's a fast metabolism. I'm a crazy motherfucker, beef with me and I'ma kill him. Gang is really all I know. Since a youngin' bangin' with him, hangin' with a op nigga, then you really hangin' with him. Ayy, on everything, pussy, I ain't never lying. Shit, I did shit on my own. Seen the difference on the lines. Made my Uber since a kid, my attitude is so defiant. Have your main bitch on my line buying, she my client. Ayy, I just wanna reach the goals, boy, and get paid. You niggas worried about the thought of how you get laid. Graduated on the block, I got the best grades. Seen you niggas' faces when you saw how much my bitch made. Raps addicting like it got Coca-Cola. My bars are fucking sick, I think they passed me Ebola. Shooting out the window, nigga, funny thing, I'm the chauffeur. And you borrowing furniture, could be fucked on the sofa. Hey, watching my mom, I'm a motherfucker. Hold up, I seen a daughter, so I gotta love her. Y'all not gonna get no money, kick the curb and play another sucker. In the cut like undercovers, while I fuck her undercover. Let's get it. Whoa.